Hello, I'm Sarah, spokesperson for Symbiotic Networks. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating a post. This consists of title, short description, keywords, contents, and other available features. Click on Posts from within the account menu. Once there, on the Manage Posts page, click on Create a new post. Select one or more categories for this post. Enter a post title, keeping it as short as possible and including the main subject of the post. Enter a sentence or two describing what the post is about. Enter around 5 keywords about the post separated by commas, making sure the first keyword is the most important one, also known as the targeted keyword. Now we are to the point where we will add some post contents. The first items that you will see is an Edit and View drop-down menu. You can view the source after you type to see what the HTML code looks like. You can insert a link, media, image, horizontal line, page breaks, and other various things like insert your uploads or use apps that we have built for our system. You can add a table and choose how many columns and rows it will have. You can also tweak some of the properties of the cells, rows, and columns right here after you've created that table. The next item you have is undo and redo, make text bold, italic, underline, or strike through, and various formats like image alignment where text will be wrapped around the image. You can change it from a paragraph, header 1 through 6, and more. This is where you align text left, center, right, or justified. This is bulleted lists. We have all these different ones and numbered lists. This is the decrease indent and increase indent, subscript, and superscript. This is how you insert a link or make any text you've highlighted a link. This is how you remove a link. Insert an image, media, horizontal line, a block quote, special characters like a copyright, rights reserved, or trademark symbol. This is where you can change the text color and create custom ones. This is the background color of text. You can also make custom ones as well. This is where you find and replace words within your post contents. You can display blocks here, which shows that this is a paragraph. If we change it to a header, it will now display as an H1. This is how you can clear formatting. So if you have some text here and you were to highlight this and make it bold, if you now highlight all of it and click clear formatting, it will be converted back to plain text and remove the bold, italics, or underlines. You can view the source code and you'll see here that these are paragraphs with your contents in between. So if you edit it here and click OK, it will change within the editor as well. Now we have Insert Page Break. I have already created some content, which I will go ahead and just right-click here and click Paste. Say you wanted to break this content up into pages. You just go to the next empty space and click Page Break, which consists of 2% signs, and the word Page Break will automatically make this page 1 and all of this will be page 2, and you'll have a paging system generated at the bottom of the post when it's finished. And if you want to split it up into more pages, you just add another page break, and now you'll have page 1, page 2, and page 3 right here. So I'm just going to click right here to undo. Say you wanted to add a YouTube video. We will add one down here at the bottom. Click Insert App. Scroll down within this pop-up window to find the YouTube video app. All you have to do is enter a YouTube video URL or the ID of a video, which I have already copied and just need to right-click and paste it in. This is a YouTube video URL. The video ID is just this last part behind V equals. Be aware that the YouTube video autoplay setting does not always work. YouTube videos have to show up at least more than half of the page when it loads in order for this to work. In most cases, your website will have a top part, which is called a header, and a navigational menu, so this usually will not work. Now we can click Create App Token. You'll notice that a new token has been created. The U stands for user, and this is the app that we are using, and this 1-3, 1 is your user ID stored within our database, and 3 is how we store the settings for all apps. You'll be able to edit app settings in a different location without even editing this token within your post. We're going to go ahead and look through the contents and pick out certain things that we can bold. It was a time in a bustling city filled with neon lights. So say we're going to highlight or make this bold and then maybe have this whole last sentence italicized. From a young age, Maya was fascinated by the internet. I'm just going to click right here in front of that sentence. Now, let's click on Manage and Insert Uploads. If you do not have any parent folders created, you can create one now. I'm just going to call this Post Images and click Create. You can also create child folders within that folder if you want to, and they work the same way. I will just go ahead and create one, and type something random to create the child folder. And you'll see that now you have a new directory, which we're going to delete. Okay, now if you want to upload something to this folder, click on the folder icon or the folder name itself. The upload form is hidden by default. Just click Toggle File Upload Form in green and that will open it. Now you can choose the image you want to upload. We will go with Maya the website developer. The description is used for ADA compliance, mostly for government or educational websites, but you can enter one if you want to. I'm going to type in the name of this person, which is Maya. Since we're inserting it within a post, I'm going to set it to 500 pixels. This will resize uploaded JPEG and PNG images to whatever size you enter here. If you do not want it to be resized, you can just make this field blank. We're going to go with 500 pixels and click Upload File. Once the file has uploaded, it will be displayed as a small preview thumbnail and will be listed below. You can also upload more by clicking Toggle Form again, which is hidden by default to tidy up this area. Next, if you click on the image or the little wrench icon, it will take you to where you can see more information about this upload. You'll see the file name and the URL where it is stored, so you can just select and copy it if you want to use it somewhere else. We are not going to set alignment or margin on this page, we're going to use a different method later. You can also make this image a link. Let's go ahead and click Insert Image and you'll see the image has been inserted and that the size of 500 is too big. What we can do to fix it is click on it and scale it down to 300 instead. If you want to align the image, you can click Formats, then Image Align, and choose Image Align Left. The image will now be aligned to the left side of the text, with some nice padding around it. In miscellaneous settings, an image can be uploaded to use as a thumbnail for the post. It will automatically be cropped to a square ratio. Select all section pages that the post should also appear on. A list will be displayed at the bottom of all sections selected. The last two settings are used to set the post to active and published, so visitors can view the post on the website. Click on the bottom button labeled Create Post to save the post. Once the post is saved, you will see a message that the post was created successfully. Click on View to open it in a new window. Now you will see your new post as visitors to the website will see it, with the image of Maya aligned to the left side of the post contents, and the YouTube video we added using our app. This concludes the video tutorial for creating a post with our core content management system. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.